Now before moving forward, we made an inventory adjustment in the last video of one item. If I go back to inventory and services and inventory adjustment and go back, at that moment it was showing 82 something in the quantity, and now it's showing 107 quantity on hand, and after adjustment it makes 106 as total. This is the correct total that you should see if everything you have entered is correct. But at that particular moment it was showing 80 something. That's because of smart posting. It didn't post one invoice, so I was just taking reports, and then it suggested for some bills to enter, so it automatically entered it and changed the current inventory balance to 106. So this is the balance that you should see in while you are adjusting inventory. Otherwise you can just leave it for now, and when we will finalize our trial balance we can just review that as well. So anyways, before moving forward, I thought that this is necessary for you to tell that 106 is the right balance.